All right, so this section is going to be we are going to be diving deep into building a website. It's going to be long, and although it's going to be cut into several modules. So first of all, this is the home page and it still looks scattered. We have to do some cleanup. So the first thing we'll be doing right now is to clean up all these side widgets, try and remove some of these footer, remove all these menus here. So how do I do that? I'm going back to my appearance under the dashboard. You go to widgets, click on the widget, and we're going to be removing something. So if you notice, there are different things that we saw on the home page here. So these are the things: the recent, the search, recent, archive, categories. This Here they are. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be clicking and dragging them off. How am I removing them? Left click and drag with your right hand out of it. If you are using a mouse, same thing. Left click and drag it out. That's how to remove those side widgets. Left click and drag, then check if there are other widgets by the side that we don't really need. So as you can see, everything has been removed. I'm going to be refreshing the site. Click on this reload, look at where my mouse is, this reload, click on it, and let's see if everything is out. As you can see, we have removed all those things. So the site is getting cleaner before we start our website design. So let's try and remove this footer. We have to clean up this because that's the default. So how do you clean up that? Go back to your customize, wait for it to load. So as you can see, it's at the lower part of it. So this section is called footer. It's called footer. So under your customize, locate footer. Under footer, locate footer bar, click on it, and here we are. Copyright, current year, site title, powered by, whatever, whatever. So what we want to change it to is like, so I think we'll be okay with copyright 2020 Quara Youth. You can remove this, or we can make it, we can say powered by Quara Youth Foundation, Quara Youth, whatever you want to put there. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to remove that. If you want to edit it, you can add whatever you want to add. After making correction to it, you publish. So you're going to update the existing thing. Here we are. It has been removed. So let us refresh the home page. Click on this reload bar and it has been removed. So the next thing we'll be looking at right now is how to build the pages. So I'm going to close this, click on this X here, and we'll be back to our dashboard. So I'm on the pages here, and we have different pages here. We talked about creating pages in our earlier discussion. You click on your add new and you can add whatever page you want. So let me quickly open mralabi.com to show you different pages that I have. So for your practical sake, you need to know which pages you want to create. You can visit different kind of sites for you to see different pages that they have. On this site, I have the home as a page, the services blog, free consultation page now, and talk to me. So you can go ahead and create any kind of page you want by following the previous method we have done. So I'm going to be pausing this video for you to learn how to create more pages, add as many pages as you want. Once we are back, I'm going to show you how to rearrange menus, so these are the menus here, how you're going to rearrange the menus, and how you're going to set the page to how you're going to set the home page to be reading by default, because what we are seeing right now is a blog post.